Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard maths integers. Now what is integers? Integer means numbers. As we seen natural numbers in previous classes, we seen whole numbers. Natural number means numbers which are start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 etc. are called the natural number. Whole number, in natural number if you add 0, so it became a whole number. So whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. are called the whole numbers. Now what is this integer? Integers means where we use minus numbers and the plus number. Now how we will use the minus number and plus number? Just you will see on the number line. Suppose this is a number line. Here is a 0. Right side of the 0 all positive numbers. Like here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And left side of the 0 is negative numbers. Like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and etc. So these numbers are called the integer. So in integers, which numbers are included? Negative number, 0 and the positive number. When these all numbers come together, they are called the integers. If you go left of the 0, you will get the negative number. If you go right of the 0, you will get the positive number. So it means this total set of the numbers are called integers. The definition of integers: negative numbers, 0 and the positive number. This is called what? Integers. As you know, 1 is the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number. But in integer, we cannot say the smallest number, because as you go here left of the number, you will get infinitely so many numbers. As you go right side, you will get infinite numbers. Positive numbers are infinite numbers. We cannot say which is the natural biggest number. We cannot say which is the whole biggest number. But we can say the integer which is the biggest negative number. 1 is the biggest negative number. 1 is the biggest negative number. Here we cannot say which is the smallest number, but we can say 1 is the biggest negative number. 1 is the biggest negative number. If I will ask you minus 5 and 0, which one is the biggest? 0 is the biggest and minus 5 is the smallest. 0 is the biggest, minus 5 is the smallest. If you compare the numbers are given. Here is minus 10 and here is minus 2. Which one is the greatest? Minus 2 is the greatest. In negative number, the smallest number became a bigger. Here 10 and here 2. This minus and this minus. So it became minus 10 and minus 2. Which one is the greatest? Minus 2 is the greatest. Minus 2 is the greatest. Understood? So in negative numbers we can say minus 1 is the greatest negative number. Minus 1 is the greatest negative number. Smallest negative number we cannot say. Smallest negative number we cannot say because the numbers are infinitely goes on. So we cannot give a proper number which is the smallest negative number. So this is called the integer. This is called the integers. Once again I am taking a small review. We learn the natural number. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 etc. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 etc. And integers start from all minus numbers, 0 and all plus numbers. This all together what? This all together what? Integers. Now you understand what are the integers? Integers means minus numbers, 0 and the plus number. When this set will become together, they are called the integer. Now in this, we will see successor and the predecessor. As already we learned successor and the predecessor. Now here, successor and predecessor. If I will ask minus 1, minus 1 successor is what? 0. And predecessor is what? Minus 2. Minus 1 successor is 0 because 0 is the greater than minus 1. So it is a successor. And predecessor is smallest number. So minus 1 predecessor is what? Minus 2. One more example. Minus 7. Minus 7 successor is what? Minus 6. And minus 7 predecessor is what? Minus 8. This is minus 1. Minus 1 successor is 0. And minus 1 predecessor is minus 2. Predecessor means what? Smaller than given number. Successor means what? Greater than given number. So here is minus 1 is given. So minus 1 is smaller than 0. So 0 is a successor of minus 1. And minus 1 is greater than minus 2. So minus 2 is the predecessor of minus 1. So in minus number if you go, if you see, suppose one more example I am giving here, 100. Minus 100. Which is the successor of minus 100? Minus 99 is the successor of minus 100. And what is the predecessor of minus 100? 101 is the predecessor of minus 100. If simply I will ask, what is the successor of 5? 6 is the successor of 5. 6 is the successor of 5. And what is the predecessor? 4 is the predecessor of 5. So it means in minus is different and in plus is different. In minus 6 is the successor of minus 7. Minus 99 is the successor of minus 100. And minus 2 is the predecessor of minus 1. Minus 8 is the predecessor of minus 7. Minus 101 is the predecessor of 100. Please pay attention. Here maybe you are getting confused. What is here going on? So in minus number, smallest number became a bigger and bigger number became a smaller. In minus number, we are talking about the minus number. In minus number, which is the number is smaller, that became a bigger, and the number which is a bigger, that became a smaller. But we have to put a sign along with the sign. So this minus 8 is smaller than minus 7, and minus 6 is greater than minus 7. Understood? This is called successor and predecessor. This already we learned for the natural number and whole number. Now we are learning for the integer. Some more example we will take, so you will understand easily. Some more example we will make you understand easily. Here I am writing here simple 100. So simple 100, it's not a minus number, it is a plus number. No sign there means it is a plus number. So 100 predecessor. What is the predecessor of 100? 99. And what is the successor of 100? 101. If I put a minus here and I will write a 100, now totally the answer is reverse now. How the reverse? Minus 100. Predecessor is minus 101. And successor is minus 99. Here it became a reverse because when you keep the minus, so the bigger number, minus bigger number became a smaller and minus smaller number became a bigger. And this is a difference here. One more example we will take here. I am writing here 9. Simple 9. No sign means plus sign. Here I didn't put any sign, it became a 9. Now what is the predecessor of 9? Simple predecessor of 9 is what? 8. Simple predecessor of 9 is what? 8. And what is the successor of 9? 10 is the successor of 9. If I will put a minus 9, so here it became a reverse now. What reverse? Minus 9. Predecessor is what? Minus 10. And minus 9 successor is what? Minus 8. Here again it became a reverse. So this we seen before only. Predecessor means one number smaller than the given number. Successor means one number greater than the given number. Or you can say easily, add 1 to a given number, you will get a successor. Subtract 1 to a given number, you will get a predecessor. So this is what predecessor and successor of the integers. In integers, what we learn? All negative numbers, 0, and all positive numbers. This all became a what? Integers. All became a what? Integers. Now we will see some addition and subtraction. When you do addition and subtraction of integers, one more example, one more topic I am going to tell you now. What is this? Natural numbers. The numbers which start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are called the natural number. Whole number, a number which start from natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now, integer dot 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 -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 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 etc. Here why I put dot 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 means infinite numbers, which before numbers we don't know that are showing in a dot dot dot. It means infinite numbers are there. So here natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. And integer start from minus all minus numbers, 0 and all plus number. Here natural number you can say to whole numbers. Please see here, आप natural number को whole number बोल सकते हैं और whole number को आप integers भी बोल सकते हैं. Please I am explaining here in Hindi. You can say natural number to whole number and whole numbers to integer. आप natural number को natural number भी बोल सकते हैं, whole number भी बोल सकते हैं. You can say natural number to natural number also and whole number also. To whole number you can say whole number also and integer also. Whole number को आप whole number भी बोल सकते हैं और integer भी बोल सकते हैं. And you can say integers to only integers. अभी ये integers को आप सिर्फ integers बोलेंगे, इसको आप whole number नहीं बोल सकते. We cannot say these are the whole number because in whole number there are no minus number. Understand? So integers are called only integers. In higher classes you are going to see some more numbers, rational number, irrational number, that we will see afterwards. So once again, these are the natural number. You can say this number to whole number also, natural number also. These are the whole numbers. This whole number you can say whole number also, integer also. Understood? Now these are the integers. Integer means all minus numbers, 0 and plus numbers. So you can say only integer to integers. You cannot say any other to integers. Only you can say integers to integers. Now here, natural number को अपन whole number बोल सकते हैं और natural number बोल सकते हैं. होल नंबर को अपन होल नंबर बोल सकते हैं और इंटीजर बोल सकते हैं. पर इंटीजर्स को अपन सिर्फ इंटीजर बोलेंगे. वी विल से ओनली इंटीजर्स टू इंटीजर ओनली. ओके, वी कैन नॉट से हियर होल नंबर एंड वी कैन नॉट से हियर नेचुरल नंबर. वी कैन नॉट से हियर नेचुरल नंबर. अभी एक स्टेप और बढ़ गया. वन मोर स्टेप इज इंक्रीज नाउ. दिस बिकेम नेचुरल नंबर आल्सो, होल नंबर आल्सो एंड इंटीजर आल्सो. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ these numbers are present here. These numbers are present here. That's why you can say this number to whole number also, integer also. Understand? समझे ना अभी? इसे अपन नेचुरल नंबर भी बोल सकते हैं, होल नंबर भी बोल सकते हैं, इंटीजर भी बोल सकते हैं. क्योंकि ये जो नंबर है इसमें भी प्रेजेंट है, इसमें भी प्रेजेंट है, उसलिए अपन इसे कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. होल नंबर भी बोल सकते हैं, नेचुरल नंबर भी बोल सकते हैं, इंटीजर्स भी बोल सकते हैं. अभी होल नंबर्स को अपन नेचुरल नंबर नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पर 0 है, यहाँ पर 0 नहीं है. Here is 0 and here is no 0, so you cannot say whole number to natural number. Okay dear? So you cannot say whole number to natural number. But you can say whole numbers to whole number also and integers also. So whole number को अपन whole number भी बोल सकते हैं और integer भी बोल सकते हैं. So difference क्या है? क्योंकि यहाँ पर 0 नहीं है, इसे whole number नहीं बोल सकते, यहाँ पर minus number नहीं है, इसे अपन integer नहीं बोल सकते, सिर्फ इसको अपन बोलेंगे natural numbers. इस नंबर को अपन natural numbers बोलेंगे. We only say these numbers to natural number, no other number. Now इसको अपन बोल सकते हैं होल नंबर भी बोल सकते हैं और इंटीजर भी बोल सकते हैं. इसको अपन नेचुरल नंबर नहीं बोल सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि नेचुरल नंबर में 0 नहीं है. इस तरह से एक दूसरे को नंबर लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ दिस इज व्हाट नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर एंड इंटीजर. नाउ वी विल सी एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ वी विल सी addition and subtraction. So this addition and subtraction we will see in our next class. This we will see in a next class, how to do the addition and how to do the subtraction. With here I am giving a small example one. If a number is -3 and plus 5, so what to do? We will, here one number is in minus, one number is in plus, so you have to subtract. So you have to subtract 5 minus 3, it became a 2, and bigger number sign you have to put. Which one is a bigger number sign? Bigger number sign is what? 5. So here is plus 2. So if you not put plus, then also the answer is 2. So this type of problems we will take in our next class. Understand? So what we learned today? Natural number, whole number and integer. We seen natural number definition already in previous classes. We seen whole number definition. We seen previous classes. Integer definition. Once again, I am telling you. Integer definition. What is addition? Definition of integer: minus numbers, 0, and all plus numbers. The set of these numbers are called the integers. Today itself. Bye. Thank you.